Next step, we're gonna see how to install IntelliJ IDE and how to write hello world program in IntelliJ IDE. Go to download IntelliJ IDE page. So currently I have selected Mac OS. If you are using Windows or Linux, select based on your operating system version. Please remember, IntelliJ IDE Ultimate version is a paid version. For now, I'm going to use Community Edition. Click the download button. After IntelliJ download, go to your download folder and open IntelliJ IDE.dmg file. You can drag your IntelliJ IDE into applications. You can see the progress here. Once this file is installed properly, you can go to applications and go to search for IntelliJ IDE and open IntelliJ IDE. So when you open IntelliJ IDE, you will see the welcome page like this. So click new project. The new project will open a new window like this. You can select your first project. Let's give a name as first project, and you can select any folder. So for now, I'm going to use IDE projects folder. You can see that IDE projects. I will select Java and IntelliJ. You can use the corresponding JDK versions. So currently I have JDK 1.8 version as well as a 17 version. So I will use my JDK 1.8 version. Okay. Now click create. You can see IntelliJ IDE created your first project with a file called main with public static void main, printf, hello world, hello and welcome, for loop. For now, we can close this welcome page. If you want to create a class file, you can right click here on the source, go to new and select Java class. There you can create new Java class as name sample. You can see public class sample is created. Inside that, you can create a public static void main string args. For now, if you want more, you can just quickly copy the code from this page. I will explain what it does in the next step, but we can quickly copy this code. Now you can delete this main file. Okay, you can directly run sample file by clicking here. You can see that Java project is compiled. Now we would like to run this file. To run this file, you can directly go to run and click run. Click the edit settings, add new. We are running Java application. You can use application, which is using Java project. So we'll use first project as a name, and we can use the name as sample. That's it. Run. See the result.